Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and a very amazing pre-sale product. So make sure you watch the video till the end. So before going further into the video, I am going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. This video is for educational purposes. So guys, here you can see we are on the website. The project we are going to review is known as DYOR token, on the way to become the next meme king. DYOR token pre-sale final phase is ending in almost 24 days, 13 hours and 29 minutes. The amount raised is shown here. Token source are 1.5. They are launching on 1st of November 2025 on PancakeSwap. Currently 1 DYOR is equal to 0.015. The partners include Maxi, Gate.io, KuCoin as well as Binance. You can convert your BNB into the DYOR tokens. Just had to connect your wallet. MetaMask or Trust wallet can also work. Then convert your BNB tokens into the DYOR tokens and then hold. Down here you can check out some banners which include buy 1 BNB worth of DYOR, get 10 million PPS reward, maximize your gains this meme season. You can make some solid returns. What is DYOR token? Born from the depth of meme culture, DYOR emerged as the ultimate celebration of the community and creativity in the crypto space. DYOR is not just another meme coin, they are a movement powered by the amazing community. You can buy it right now using the pre-sale. Also, you can check out their social media handles such as Facebook, X, Instagram, Telegram, YouTube as well as TikTok handles. Also down here you can check out their contract address. So down here they had already mentioned the method of buying. It's pretty simple. You just had to swap USDT for BNB on any of the centralized exchange such as Binance, Bitget or any exchange, and then send it to your MetaMask or Trust wallet. Then come to the DYOR token site and connect your wallet with the site and then swap your BNB in the DYOR tokens and then hold and enjoy the journey. Down here you can check out the roadmap of this amazing product. Roadmap has been divided into phases. So phase 1 is all about get set go, which means contract deployment, website launch, pre-sale and initial marketing. In phase 2 you will see launch on PancakeSwap, staking live listings on centralized exchanges. Phase 3 is to the moon, unique NFT collections, reward programs as well as collaborations. In phase 4 they are pushing the limits such as play to earn game, massive buyback as well as price stability are the features of phase 4. Down here you can check out the DYOR is driving the Lambo, so it is really good. Down here you can check out the tokenomics of this amazing product. So 80% of the supply is locked, 10% is for staking and 5% is for pre-sale, 2% is for private sale, 1% is for liquidity, 1% is for team. And also you can see 1% is for centralized exchange listing. The total supply has been shown here. Also you can check out the contract address. Down here you can check out the reviews on YouTube. You can check out a review of this amazing product. Many videos are already uploaded. Also you can check out the NFT of DYOR token. You can see they have very amazing NFT art, so make sure you check them out as well. Also they have already answered all of the frequently asked questions that are coming in your mind, such as what is DYOR token. DYOR token is a community based reward meme coin built on Binance Smart Chain with the aim to revolutionize the meme coin world. Is there any benefit of the pre-sale? Absolutely yes. If you buy pre-sale you are an early bird and early birds never lose. On top of that, if you buy 1 BNB worth of DYOR tokens in pre-sale, you can get 10 million PP tokens as an early investor reward. Also, you can check out some other questions are also answered by them, so make sure you check it out if you have any questions coming in your mind. Down here, you can check out their social media handles such as Facebook, X, Instagram, Telegram as well as YouTube. So make sure you become part of their Telegram handle as well, because the developers of the product are also active there and you can directly talk to the developers of the product. So guys, this pre-sale is looking really good according to me, so make sure you do some own research as well, because this video is for educational purposes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe this channel. I will meet you soon, so till then take care and have a nice day.